Hillary Clarke. I'm the Regional Advocacy Director for the American Cancer Society. I'm also a resident of the city of Buffalo. I live in the Niagara District. The American Cancer Society strongly supports the Responsible Tobacco Retailing Act. Currently, cigarette smoking accounts for at least 30% of all cancer deaths in the United States. Smoking is responsible for almost 9 out of 10 lung cancer deaths, and lung cancer is the leading cause of cancer death in both men and women. It is also one of the hardest cancers to treat. The American Cancer Society has ambitious goals for reducing the burden of cancer on the American public, but we will not be able to achieve those goals without lowering smoking rates in this community and across the country. We know that retail stores are an important element in marketing cigarettes, especially since they can't be advertised on TV or in most other media. Currently, New York State and some of its localities regulate tobacco retailers through licensing. We believe that this can be a powerful tobacco control enforcement tool, in that the license can be suspended or revoked if the licensee violates local law related to responsible tobacco retailing. We also believe that reducing the number of tobacco retail outlets over time will lead to reduced tobacco sales in our community, improving the health and well-being of the citizens of Buffalo. Moreover, keeping retail outlets away from schools and other areas frequented by children will reduce the tobacco industry's ability to lure our children into a lifelong addiction. New York courts have generally found that licenses are personal privileges and not property rights. We believe it is perfectly reasonable to require tobacco licensees to take measures to ensure that children in our community are not unnecessarily subjected to tobacco advertising and marketing practices, and that adults have access to easily understood information about the product. For these reasons and many more, the American Cancer Society strongly supports the Responsible Tobacco Retailing Act and urges you and your colleagues to move swiftly toward its passage. I also just want to add on a personal note, as a parent that lives in the city of Buffalo, my husband and I, neither of us smoke. We do what we can to talk to our children about the dangers of smoking. When we're around people that smoke, we use it as a learning opportunity to talk to them about the fact that their friends and family members are often addicted to the product. We try not to go to places where they will be in a smoky environment, but there are some things that are out of our control. And the tobacco ads that my kids see on an almost daily basis inside and outside of retail outlets is frankly out of my control, except for the fact that I'm here today to talk to you about it. So, we're doing our part, and I'm urging our elected officials to do your part, to do what you can to protect our children as well. Thank you.